Today I want to speak about my workflow for video editing on a mobile device. I have the new iPad, the 5th generation. It's not a Pro, but it's doing a decent job while editing with LumaFusion and LumaFix. It's not a commercial. The both software I bought as the bundle that I have, it's around 21 euros. LumaFusion is more like Premiere, or if you're coming from the audio, is like Cubase. The LumaFix is more the mastering software, like After Effects. So you're usually creating with the LumaFusion, doing some multi-track editing, multi-camera editing, color grading, and if you need a final touch, using the LumaFix for doing it. You have the option in the LumaFusion to have 6 tracks, 3 video tracks with audio and 3 audio tracks. A lot of things inside. I will just give you a small review and a small tutorial how to use it. I think that if iMovie is limiting your productivity on a mobile device, this will give you the answer. This is the best software exists for mobile device, not for Android. It's not exist for Android, it's only iOS, but it's the best that you can get in any mobile device. I really don't like Apple. I don't like the workflow in Apple, but in this case the LumaFusion doing a decent job and really great. So this is how the opening of the LumaFusion looks. With the plus, I can open a new project. I will call it test. I want to use 60 frames because of my drone videos, and I can change the aspect, but I don't need it to because it's normal HD. Okay, so let me just show the touch. If you see here 1, 2, 3 video tracks, 1, 2, 3 audio tracks. The hierarchy is that this is the main track. If you put something on it, it will play this one, and if you put something on top, it will play this one, but it will always play the audio that in those videos. Now I want to open a video. I will go to the albums. I will take the vlog intro. Just grab it and put it into the timeline. Okay, you can see this is the preview. If I want zoom out, normal zoom out, double click here, I will see it in full screen. Double click to begin to back to the edit. Now I want to upload, let me see, from here I have videos. So this is the video. I can see the preview here of the video. I trim it a little bit after the movement of the camera and before this movement, and I can grab it from here and into the timeline. Now I want to have a nice transition. There are a lot of transitions. I'm usually use the crossfade and maybe the crossfade of the audio and video just cutted. I can select this and make it a little bit shorter, depend what I need. Okay, now going back to zoom out. Now I will take another video. Let's see what I have. I have this one also trimmed already. I will take from here until, let's say, until here. Okay, I'll move here and I will just grab it, put it in the back, And I can use a different type of transition. Let me try this one. Never try it in videos. Yeah, it's a nice transition. So now I want a little bit to touch with this on this video's colors. Double click on the video, going into, this is frame and fit, I will show it later what. Anyway, I want this to move more fast, okay, till 6 times faster, or 240 less. Go to the fast. Audio, if you have audio that you want to disable, you just put this until -90. And here you have presets. Yes, you can see some presets. Here, here, and here, and here as well. You have a chroma key. I don't want to use it at the moment. I don't need it. In here, what you see is the process power. If nothing is on, so you have enough headroom to for the processor to use it. Now I will press on the original, and I want a little bit more contrast. Maybe I will change the green, or no, it's not okay. This is maybe more bluish. Okay, something like this. Can move it here to see how it looks. Okay, let me see if I want more saturated. Okay, I can play it until I get what I want. If I will now zoom inside again. Okay, you can see the information on the video clip itself. Now, I want to add one more video parallel to this one. I will show you why. Sometimes if you want to use this audio, this clip audio, and you want to change the video clip or to put something over it, in here you have detach, and you will see the audio under it, and it's linked to the video. So if I have here something else, I can mute it, I can cut and do other stuff on here on the other video that I have. I can actually, for example, cut this and move some parts, but I will, if I have the audio, and just to play with this. It's a nice tool. You need to know what you have. I'm not going to do course how to use the whole things in the software. There are a lot of things, really great software. But now I will show you another option. I will take, let's see, this is not a drone video, but I will take this video, okay? Okay, I will trim it a little bit. It's enough, I think, a few seconds. This is from a ground camera. This is not a drone. So if I will play it like this, you see, it's the upper one is play. But what I want to do is something like this. I can, in a fit and frame, make it small, move it somewhere I want. Okay? And now I have picture in picture. As I say, if I don't want the noise from the video, I will just go and put the volume to the minimum. Anyway, to the audio editing, you have those tools here, some compressors, some filters. It's great to have. You can save also presets. Depend what you need to. Usually I work on audio. If I need a really deep work on audio, I will do it on Cubase or other DAW for specifically for audio. I will not do it in the LumaFusion, even though that I have the minimal tools. I prefer just coming from a background of music, so prefer to work with other softwares. Okay, so we have picture in picture, and we have this. Now I want a title here. overlay title, double click on this. You can see it in here. I have some preset that I want to use, and it will be this one. Double click on it, changing the name from this to test. Okay, oh, sorry, done. Can put it the other side. I can put opacity down, size big or small, colors, opacity of the shadows and opacity of, so there are a lot of options in here. Okay, so you have also other type of presets. So also in here and also with the music or audio, you can use those transitions. Put it in here. Let's take something else, maybe like this at the end. Just improvising here. Okay, so this is the basic for this software in terms of the video. Now the audio, I don't need this audio because there is no audio in this track. It's a video from the drone. I can put, let's see, from here. Let me go to the iTunes artist. I will take this track in here. Obviously that you can use transitions on audio, trims, cuts, whatever you want. Okay, let's put it in here. Cut and delete the end, I don't need it. And let's do nice fade out at the end. Okay, and really fast. You see in matters of seconds, minutes, you have a complete video with the color grading and everything. I mean, there are a lot of things to learn in this software. I know a lot of things, but I just give you a hint about this software. If you have iTunes and you think iMovie, and you think the iMovie is limited for you and you want a little bit better, this is the best software to use. Exporting, can use movie and you can put in other places. Here is the really bit frame rate for this video because of the drone videos. Better quality, audio, everything, control, MPEG-4 or MOV, that's the two format available in Apple. You see the fast, how much fast it will export the movie. It probably will be 40 something seconds, because the recording of the screen, probably you see that the preview of the dot, the white dot, is not correct. That's all. You see, this is like 1 second per 1 second of a video, so it's really quick, really fast. I hope you get some info from this movie and it's helped you to decide if you need this or not need this software. That's all. Thank you for watching.